Page 87, Prelude number 13. This is in the key of F major. It's a little different because if I go around the circle of fifths, then the next key signature would probably be, what, 5 flats? However, now they're starting with 1 flat, and I'm assuming they're going to add a flat each time. You see, when you go around the circle of fifths, typically you will add a sharp each time, or you will subtract a flat each time, and the sharps blend into the flats. When you get up around 6 and 7 sharps and flat, 6 sharps and 6 flats is the same keys on the piano. I explain all that in the scale video, but here they've started over now, 1 flat. Now we're going to go back up probably to what, 5 flats or whatever it is they're going to do. This is an F major. That's it. Okay. Common time, so we're here. Now watch out, we got 2 voices in the left hand. You see that at the beginning, there's a stem going up. That's a quarter note. Hold it down. And then lift up. So lift up both of these as you play that. Here. Again. And I recommend a 4th finger on that F. That's the chord, and that's the fingering. I recommend here. And then here, 3rd is fine here. And then here. Again, 4th finger on the F, because that's the chord here, and we want 4th on that. But I'm holding that note down. So this is really a good exercise in how long do you hold the notes down. And another reason for doing this, finger pedaling. Finger pedaling is when we hold the notes down with the fingers so the sound continues, which is what the pedal would do if we used it. So we're just doing it the same thing but with the fingers. Here we want this to hang on that. We want that first note to hang on, so we're holding it down with the fingers. Like so, we're just holding it down. The pedal's going to cover it all up anyway, but in my opinion, we need to, you got to learn this first without pedal and do it accurately so you can hear this. Slurs on each one. Here, moderately soft, and you're going to go up and then come back down. So it shows up to about a moderately loud is all. Come and repeat it again. And that's 4th finger on the F. That's my impression of it. It is a little choppy, so we'll use pedal to help us out with this. And allegretto's that fun speed again. It's just what's fun to you. And on these, I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger here. It's here, but it's a controlled transfer. I'm not just bloop. It's not like a rolled chord. Whatever. It's. So with the pedal, I'm going to put the pedal down right after I play the note. I'm going to lift the pedal up with the half note. So there's silence between each measure. But I'm still going to try and hold the notes down at the right length. Here, and then at the end, everything comes up together. It's my impression of it. It's a good etude for the coordination of the hands going here. Because you want it to sound like one chord, one hand played it all. Here. And the pedal mixed in with that. Yeah, there's a lot of coordination going on. Good luck with that.